If you sneezing or when you coughing, you got a little dribble, you might want to watch this video for this stock up. I'm deciding to do this deal, which is the Oral-B Care $5.49 for one. I'm gonna get back a $3 extra buck, and I decided to get this one right here. I have a $2 clip to card coupon for the Oral-B toothbrushes, and then I decided to do the Crest mouthwash. The liter, it's $4.99. You're able to do it twice. You're gonna get a $2 extra buck back, so I'm gonna do it twice. Okay, so I can use this CRT, which is 4 off 14 Crest Scope or Oral-B. I'm getting 2 of these, and I'm gonna get 1 of those, okay? So I wanted to actually do the Burt's Bees, but it's not a Crest or Scope or Oral-B product. So that's why I did not get the Burt's Bees. It probably would have been a better deal because we got those $2 coupons for it. That's okay, I'm just gonna get this right here. It's still gonna be a good deal because after coupons, I got a 50-cent clip to card coupon for the Crest, the $2 digital for the toothbrush, and this right here. I'm gonna roll extra bucks. It's gonna be $8.97. I'm gonna pay $8.97, but I'm gonna get back $7. I'm gonna get back $3 for the toothbrush, $2 and $2. So I get back $7. So that's only $1.97 out of pocket. I'm okay with that since it's extra bucks anyway. It's gonna be on the Always. They are not generating an extra buck, but I feel it's a good deal for me because I need the product. So the pads and the tampons are 2 for $8. And I'm going to use 2 of the $4 P&G coupons, plus I'm going to use this CRT, 2 off of 16 tampons, pads, or liners. I think I'm going to actually get this one up here because I like the Radiant ones. So I'm going to get 4 of those. Actually changed my mind. I decided to get this size because it's getting me 13 pads in each box, so I'm getting 4. Again, I'm going to use 2 of these $4 coupons out the P&G, plus I'm going to use this 2 off of 16 CRT, so it's going to be 16 for the 4. I'm going to get $10 off. I'm going to pay $6, which is like $1.50 a box. I think that's good for Always, even though I'm not getting back any extra bucks, but that's a good deal. I need the product, so get what you need. The next deal I want to do is going to be on the Poise. They're $5.99. You buy 1 and you get a $2 extra buck one time. You can do it one time. So I'm going to get 4 because I have these CRTs. I've got the 4 off of any adult care underwear, pads, or shields. Then I have a 4 off of 20 for the Poise Always or CVS Health brand adult care underwear and pads. And I'm going to use 4 of these $3 Poise coupons. They're probably going to be calculating $23.96. $12 would be the manufacturer coupons. Then it would drop my total to that. $8 would be the 2 $4 CRTs, dropping it to $3.96 in store, getting back $2 extra bucks, so $1.96 for 4. Pretty good deal. All right, lovely people, I'm out of the store. I'm in the car, and this is what I decided to do. I decided to pay cash for the Always. No extra bucks was used. It wasn't giving me any extra bucks back, so I decided to pay out of pocket, and I was okay with that. All right. So the next thing that I did was, of course, the oral care items, the mouthwash, the toothbrush, and them darn Poise. I knew the Poise was going to beep. I really did. I knew the Poise was going to beep because once you do them 4 $3 coupons and then you try to do them CRTs, the CRTs are going to beep, okay? It is what it is. You kind of got to work with what you're working with, okay? If you got some folks that's willing to push stuff through, okay. If you don't, it is what it is. The cashier didn't know how to do it. The manager came over. What she ended up doing is reducing the price of the Poise per box, and one of my $4 CRTs I was not able to use, which was this one. This one, the 4 off of 20 Poise. This one I was not able to use. Okay, let's take a look at this receipt. All right, so let's see. The Crest mouthwash
There you see one, and then there you see the other. Now here is where it gets a little confusing, because what she basically had to do, she reduced the price. I think she basically changed the price of the Poise pads, okay? And then there you see the original price for the toothbrushes. And here are the coupons. The $2 Oral-B coupon was a digital coupon. It was on my app. The 4 off adult care was the CRT that she was able to use. And then the 4 off of 14 Crest scope was for the mouthwashes and the toothbrush. The 50-cent off of Crest was a CVS app digital coupon. And the $8 and $4 is extra bucks. So my subtotal was $4.93. I'm okay with that because, I was really anticipating an additional $4 coming off. But, it is what it is. At least I did get my $7 in extra bucks, which I was expecting. Whatever. I'm okay with it, guys. I really am. Because considering the fact I rolled $12 in extra bucks, I ended up paying $4.93 out of pocket. I got my $2 extra buck back from my Poise. I got my $3 back for my toothbrush. And I got my $4 back for the mouthwash. Okay. So, you know what? I'm okay with that. I got $9 back and I spent $12. So I'm really out of $3 in extra bucks. You have to learn to just accept the bitter with the sweet with couponing. And I'm just going to say it that way, because sometimes the deal goes marvelously and nothing beeps, and then sometimes it doesn't. Okay. So Crystle's okay with that. I really am. My coupons are falling out of my freaking book onto the floor. Okay. I'm okay with it. I think I got some amazing deals. This is just one of those times where it is stock up time. Okay. If you need the Poise, if you need the Always, it's stock up time, guys. When it's a deal like this, you got to take advantage of it, okay? And I actually was so upset with myself because I went back to the store with the twin yesterday, but I just was over it. I was over couponing at that point because I had already done my deal. So I was just ready to go on with my day. And I let some CRTs actually expire, and I'm mad at myself. So I had a handful of 7.5 CRTs I had to throw away that I should have went back yesterday afternoon and used, and I didn't do it. So it's okay. I mean, I feel like I still am gonna go back probably and do one more 4 off of 18 hair care deal so I can get some beauty bucks. Yeah. Okay, so where I'm sitting with my extra bucks right now, I just got $9 plus. Let's see what I have in my book. I have let's see what we're working with. Let's see what we're working with. We got 10, 13, 19, 20. I got $22 in extra bucks. I got $22 in extra bucks. Do you understand the magnitude of this deal? Yes, thank you, Ranty. I got my coupons today. I appreciate you so very much, madam. Okay. Now, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this CVS run, this little CVS haul. Y'all know I do not like doing in-store videos. So if y'all get an in-store video out of Crystle, you're doing good, okay? Because Crystle ain't about that life. I be trying to get in and get out that stove, okay? But I wanted y'all to see them CRTs, because some of this stuff is, when you got so many coupons and so many CRTs, it is confusing at times. And for the newbies, I want y'all to get clear on what I'm talking about, okay? All right, so remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.
Hey, lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystle@yahoo.com
or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystle. If you'd like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.